Have you ever felt that certain people are keeping connections with you or trying to be in touch with you just for the formality's sake? Like there is this thing of what society will say if we are not being connected to them or whatever. Like they are having this mentality or a thought process that it is just for a formality, okay, just to show it to the others. And this is what I feel. If this is the case, if somebody is just acting for the sake of it with you, it could be anyone, relatives, friends, or whosoever. I think we are supposed to reciprocate the exact same emotion. I had an argument recently with somebody quite close to me saying that, right? I told her, how, for what reason, for what is the whole purpose of whatever that they are acting. So why are you putting in real emotions into it? Right? They are just coming here for their work. Once their work is done, once their whole goal is achieved, it will be again, we won't be counted much. So why are you putting in the real efforts into this? Even we should be acting in the same way. But then, they come from an older age, so they always work on this emotional stuff. But apparently, guys, this is a very practical world, and this is what I feel. Just behave with the people how they're behaving with you. You don't have to be God. This is again something else which was said to me way back when I was in a different company, and my higher up, he just said, you don't have to be treating everyone like gods, right? They are treating you in a certain way, do the exact same thing with them. That's it, keep it equal. You don't have to do go below, nor you have to go above, and you don't get a medal for being real, right? If somebody is real with you, be real with them. Somebody is just doing an good acting with you, you also act. And yeah, keep it as it is. Don't have to go way beyond the needs or the limits, right? This is what I feel. Please share your thoughts as well.